Hey, this is Joseph with Corsa Crew. Today we've got a 2017 Porsche 911. This is a base model. You take a look at it, there's not much to it. It's not a GT3, it's not the S, it's not the GTS, it's just the base model. But what you don't see is a set of bigger turbochargers, racing intercoolers, headers, methanol performance injection kit. That's all in this car, and we've installed it here at Corsa Crew in Birmingham, Alabama. Alright, so up under the car, I'll show you what all we've done here. First thing you'll notice is a shiny set of racing headers. Also, upgraded turbochargers. So these have a bigger hot side, cold side, and the wheel is designed for more boost, more efficiency, things like that. We've also have exhaust coming out the back here. So this is high flow. It sounds awesome. We'll show you guys what it sounds like here in a little bit. Also, it's got new diverter valves up top, and it's hard to see these because they're already installed, but basically right up in here is the intercooler on both sides of the car, and it's got brand new tile intercoolers. Much bigger, more efficient. Car's going to be able to make more power, turn the boost up, and this guy tracks this car at racetracks like Barber Motorsports Park and Road Atlanta. And so the bigger intercoolers, the bigger turbos, they're not going to be turned up a whole lot, but the idea is you want to have your power the whole session when you're out there on track. So that's another reason why we've done the methanol injection system, and we'll show you guys that next. All right, so I want to show you guys the Snow Performance methanol injection system. So this is the tank here. It's mounted in the front trunk, and right up under the tank you've got the high pressure pump, high flow pump right here. It's got stainless steel braided lines all the way to the back where the engine is, and basically what this system's going to do for the car is it's a 50-50 methanol water injection. It injects directly into the intake manifold right before the throttle body, about 6 inches in front of it. It sprays a mist of the methanol and water, helps cool the intake charge. The methanol acts as like a cooling agent for the engine. Combustion temperatures go down. It really acts a lot like high octane fuel. So it'd be the same, I think, as running about 115 to 118 octane gasoline versus 93. But the cool thing is it's got a 2-gallon tank here, and that should last, almost an entire track day with having to fill it maybe once, something like that. And some other features we'll show you are here inside the car. Okay, so I want to show you guys the controller for the methanol injection system. So right here in the glove box, we've kind of hid it away because the owner of this car wanted the gauge to kind of be stealth. So once you close the glove box, the car looks completely factory. But as you open it, you can see here's the controller. There's a purge button. Here you can go through the options, your injection start and full injection. Basically that 5 and 15 is your boost level. So at 5 psi, it starts to kick on. At 15 psi, it's at full-blown injection. You've got some text and graph color things. So injection off means right now we've got the system off and it's empty, and all you have to do to arm it is just hit the up button. It's on, you're good to go. But yeah, so this is the controller. It's just hid away, and you can adjust what boost pressure you want the system to kick in, and how, at what boost pressure you want it to be full power. So there you go. All right, so let's hear this exhaust. I'll fire it up for you guys. Take a listen. If you happen to see this 911 base model in your rearview mirror at a racetrack, you might want to go ahead and give it a point buy. We'll see you guys later.